Chris Bilkey here, and this video is addressed to the leadership when I'm out in nature, when I'm hiking. It's a much different level of consciousness. It's a much different set of ideas that comes into my mind. And I've got an idea for you. I've got a thought. I've got a question. How do you find consistency in an inconsistent world? Everything's changing. 1 minute you see something, the next minute it's gone. 1 minute you feel one way, the next minute you feel different. What you perceive is always changing. Who you're around is always changing. Everything's speeding up, everything's fast-paced due to the level of technology that we've attained as human beings. It reminds me of looking up into the stars at night. The stars are consistent. The stars are always there. But due to the rotation of the Earth and our positioning on the planet, we might see different stars every night. The sky even moves. So sometimes what we perceive to be changing, what we perceive to be inconsistent, is really natural. Traversing down a trail called Telegraph Pass here in southwest Arizona, and I've never had such clarity of thought, such a great sense of well-being, and profound vision all rolled into one. Many people are in dire need of it these days. That is an outlet to go back into nature, to get back into the great outdoors. I love you. I love this world. I love this planet.